Unfortunately, the people in Ireland are absolutely lovely. I love them, I very appreciate it. They help Ukrainians, but how the government was treating me, and I know a lot of situation about Ukrainian people as well. I look into the chances. I don't have another choice to leave, but I'm very I like that I was welcome to Ireland, but unfortunately it wasn't experience which I expected to have. And I don't have another choice now. I supposed to leave because no one is helping me, and if not kindness of Irish people, I wouldn't be abandoned on the street. I'm very appreciate that the people of Ireland help us, common people on the street, and I have this experience, but with the government section, I'm very upset that me and probably other Ukrainian should have this bad experience. And I want Irish to understand that we like coming here for work most of the time, and we expected to be treated not like we're taking money from the government.
And Alice, I mean, one particular incident, when you arrived looking for shelter and safety, I mean, you were put in a centre where you feared for your own security because you were being harassed.
Yes, unfortunately. And the people who are actually there by international protection, and the other Ukrainian people and Irish people say me that I should be happy that I can sleep on the floor and can have the toilet outside, because it's like a temporary protection place. But they're not allowed to break rights any people, not only Ukrainian. And this treatment have not only Ukrainian people, it had all people who's coming to Ireland. Yes, I have no option to go home, but I don't have another choice now, because Ireland was the most beautiful and nice country who can help Ukrainian, but the reality for me wasn't like this. So I don't have another choice to try to come back.